Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. Yeah, I don't know lah. All right. So, okay, now I'm being serious. Okay, today what I'm going to do is to create a Learn Flutter app. So basically, I'm just going to do the first part of like app design or creating the app is to actually, create the design itself. So the first thing that I do is I'm using Figma, which is I guess a design tool for you to create your not framework but web, not web, what you call it, mockups, right? Yeah. So currently I'm using like this mobile UI kit, so I don't have to do a lot of design. I can just do my own thing. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna say hi first. Hi. Yeah. Unlisted. I did. This is unlisted. Okay, how do I unlist this? Oh my god, this is so annoying. Okay, so I've made the privacy into public so people can see. Yep. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see now for the public. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to restart the game, but today I'm going to design the mobile cake. Are you stuck? Not really. I'm just, yeah, my privacy was unlisted first. Now I'm public, so at least people can see the live stream. Okay, so now I have my Figma over here. And yeah, so I'm just going to do some very simple design. I'm just like going to copy and paste certain things, right? So something like that. Why is it like that? So I'm still like wondering how to do stuff in Figma. I'm not very used to Figma at all. So sign up has its own thing, right? Okay. So I guess the first thing that I need to do is I need to create the design of the app. So I have sign up and login, but I think first I want to make a feed. So let me see the dimensions of this whole thing, right? Because I have no idea what this whole thing is. Okay, let me see if there's like this whole feed. So how big is this feed? It's 375 to 812. Okay. So I'm going to create a rectangle that's 375 and 812. 375 812. Alright, so now we have a proper mobile screen over here. And what I'm going to make this is into feed. Yep. So I guess you guys can see the different thingies, right? So now let me just copy certain stuff. Yeah, components. So the cool thing about like Figma, they have their own mobile UI kit, so I don't have to like restart everything. So I just can copy and paste stuff so that it's easier, right? No idea. Wait, is this the frame? Oh, it's the frame thing. Okay. Sorry, I'm just getting used to this. Alright, so I'm going to create a phone that's iPhone 812. So iPhone 11. Oh, okay, now makes sense. Okay, I got it, guys. I got it. I got it, guys. Don't worry. I'm okay. All right, so I'm just going to create very simple designs for right. So it's supposed to be like this. Yep. Okay, so now I have an iPhone 11 Pro X thingy with the iOS status bar. I'm gonna change this into like home page, I guess, right? So at the same time, I'm going to figure out how I'm going to design this. Yes. So say something. Yep. At the same time, just like you guys can ask me questions at the same time. Yeah. And I'm just gonna build this app and just run through what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so how do I rename this thing? iOS this. Okay, let's put this under home. Yep. Okay, how do I make this not have any text? Is it this or is it this? Oh no, this is the status bar. Ah, this is the text. Okay, I'm gonna delete this text. So I have very simple stuff here, which is I can't take it out. Oh my god. So is it an image itself? How do I ungroup this? No, I can't ungroup. Yeah, whatever the case is. Yep. So I was thinking to create. So I have a design in mind on how to create a home page, right? So let me see if I can find. Let me go Reddit first. Yep. Let me reply to you, man. Nope. Thanks for asking. Okay, so what do I have here? Sorry, I'm reading the Flutter, right? If you guys haven't checked out my video, link in the my YouTube channel thingy. So I think there's a course. Where is it? Remember there was a Flutter course. Yeah. Oh my god. I think it's okay. So I'm just gonna look through design. Okay. Design code. So let me go here. So I got the inspiration from this website designcode.io. So now they also teach you Flutter stuff. Yep. This framer. Okay, sorry. Courses. They have Flutter stuff that they teach as well, which is always very good. But at the same time, I remember they have some UI stuff that I can, take part of. They have like a design code. Let me YouTube design. Oh no. What's his name? Jobs. What his name? Meng. Okay. Design code Meng. Sorry, I'm just looking for inspiration of like So design yes, this is the one. So design code has a pretty awesome website that teaches like very beautiful design code stuff. Which state management would you recommend? I feel Flutter block. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I have with me that, you see. So this is pretty cool. I like this design. So I'm thinking to create something like this for like Flutter stuff. So they have like different colors and such. So I'm just gonna take inspiration from like as such. And also like this, you see. It's very iOS kind of thing. So I'm just like thinking of how I want to do it. So it's so pretty, it's so nice, so it's really nice. I like how it is being created as such, and apparently it's only for iOS 14. So oh my god, so cool. So I guess like one thing to take note is for iOS 14 or the new Mac, right? What they are going to do is they are going to make like some sort of like a Flutter framework where the existing Xcode, right? You're able to build for iPadOS, iOS, and desktop all in one code base, I assume. So that's why I feel that iOS 14 is like a like a Flutter for iOS itself, which is not bad. And so I'm just going to now do some shapes, right? So let me do this, and let me have some reddish. Yep. Or maybe I should make it bigger or make it smaller. Thinking. At the same time, let's make this corner radius a little bit something like that lah. Then because I'm not a designer myself, so I'm just like winging it right now, yeah. So let me see, education app design. I think I can go dribble actually and get some inspiration. Okay, so education app sweet. So Dribble has pretty awesome things. Yeah, something like this. But I want it to be more like a feed, for this Flutter app. So like once you get in, at least you have like, like I was thinking the first thing on top, right, would be like the widget of the week or something like that. Yeah, so that would be pretty cool, So let me put this as something like blue. Yeah, so this will say widget of the week. Let me put some text as well, right? So it will say widget of the week, and okay, maybe not this big, but let me put this here. Maybe it's a little bit too small, I don't know, like, yeah, widget of the week. Then maybe how about you can put like containers. How containers Flutter containers. How do they represent a Flutter container? I don't know actually. Yep. But you get what I mean. So you can put another text, right? Then you just put in the middle or something. Then you just put in container. Then this will be like white, like very very white and big. So let me see what's the size. I'm like looking at here. Yes. So let me put 60/48. Something like that, I guess. Yeah. I don't want this to be. Maybe I should make it bold. Container. Ugh. Text. by. Oh. So inter. I have no idea what is inter means. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I like this font, which is called Spartan. Spartan. Actually, I like, if it was to be a normal font, what do I like? Montserrat. Yes, I like Montserrat actually. So instead of Inter, which is like the, let me go Montserrat. Yes, Montserrat. Here we go. Yeah. Oh yes, this way. This looks way nicer. Okay, cool. So now we put this container. I want this container to be in the middle thingy, right? Yep. Okay. Then this container will be, is it bold or semi-bold? How about like this, Then let's make it white. So let's make it this. Yeah, something like that, I guess. I need it to be a little bit stronger. How about extra bold container, Then maybe you can put some shapes, like, because container are like shapes, right? So what's the alternate color for this? Green? How about green? Yep, I guess so. So you can just put some container stuff. Put a little bit of circle also at the same time. How about this to be red? I guess. Yeah. Oh yes, red. Okay, this is a little bit too much. Yeah. So very faint. I don't know. Okay, so then we have this container with the widget of the week, like something like this lah, huh? Okay, then next we have container. Then you will probably learn stuff about container. Yeah. Okay, let's see what designs do they have. They have like different cards and such. Pretty cool. Pretty interesting. I really like this, man. Yeah, it's nice. Hard, good, excellent. Okay, so let's go back, open up a new one. Let's go back again. Education app. Ooh, this really nice. Okay. Education app. How about this? Courses. Oh, wow. This is really pretty. Wow. Perfect courses. UI, UX counting. I don't want to be like courses. It's more towards like, I want it to be more towards something like Brilliant, you know. So if you guys know what Brilliant app, it's pretty concise and such, you know. So if I want to see images, yeah, Brilliant app is pretty simple, and like you have an explanation and then you have a quiz and then you have such. So yeah, I guess something like that, I guess. But we'll see how it goes, you know. Like usually the first version ain't exactly great, but we'll see. I want to see more stuff, you know. Ooh, this nice. No, not really. Yeah. How about like, because I feel like the Learn Flutter should have some like, you know, some things to go along with, you know, like for example, maybe, how about, yeah, let me put this as latest news, you know, and then we can put uh, like Flutter 1.2, you know, something like that, you know what I mean? So it's like a feed, but yeah, it's like at least you have some information about, um, you know, Flutter itself when you go straight to the app itself, you know. So at least it's something that you can get updated to, you know, like, yeah, latest feed. So like container Flutter 1.2, and then how about what else do I think I need? Yeah, I have no idea. Come on, guys. You have any suggestions? You can put it out there. You know, it's simple enough. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what do they have for Brilliant. So they have courses. Yup. They have like this. How about what else? What else? Hmm. Introduction to neural networks. This, interesting. Wow, designs are amazing, man. Really good designs. How about this? I think that's fine. I don't know. Learn Flutter App. Learn Flutter. Wow, it's really like I'm so impressed with so many of them. Wow, that's really amazing. Let me see. Yeah. So every time when you want to build, like in my opinion, if you want to build an app, you always have to like build the design first, at least a mock-up or like a sketching and stuff. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks, Ritis. Thanks. I don't know how to tag you guys, honestly. Oh, sweet. I know how to tag you guys now. Thanks, Ritis. What are we making today? Valence, we are creating the Learn Flutter app design. Yes, so we are going to, you know, look for inspiration and build the design of the Flutter app. Yeah, so let me just reply, man. Valence, we are making the design of the Learn Flutter app. I have like, you know, I don't really code a lot nowadays because I'm trying to like, you know, run stuff for nice. I'm watching you from right. Thanks for all your work. Hey, thanks, Saif. Thank you, man. Thank you for that. Oh, yeah, sorry, so Saif. Thanks. Hey. Hey guys. So right, I was thinking right to really make this into like a weekly thing. So like every week I will try to build this Learn Flutter app to really make it like really nice for you guys to, you know. So I really want you know, like a place for you to, because I know Twitter is great to follow like Flutter news and such, but something like a little bit curated and something for you guys to, you know, learn something new, you know, and just gain on your Flutter knowledge and stuff. Yo, yeah. So I'm like now just looking for design. So let me just put inside the chat. I am looking for. I'm going to be the first person. Oh, thanks, man. I'm looking for designs. What I am doing now is to create a design for the Flutter for the Learn Flutter app. Yeah. So yeah, and at the same time, I have this. What is this called? Like super chat. So, it would be, I guess, great if you guys can, like, you know, support me through the super chat, and yeah, it will definitely help me in terms of like building this app. Yes. So, but anyway, yes, I'm just looking for inspiration and designs and such. Yeah. So all of these are pretty nice, you know, and I really don't want to have like a bloated kind of app to really learn and such. Yeah. And hopefully you guys will like it. Yep. At the same time, yeah, ask me any questions about what I'm doing right now or such, or any questions about Flutter. I hopefully I'm able to, you know, answer, you know, because yeah, you can say I'm a little bit experienced in Flutter. Yeah, so you can talk to me about state management or whatsoever. But for me, I'm doing my own thing. If you guys want to know more about me, I'm currently building a platform to learn Flutter. So currently it's a website that I'm trying to build. But during the weekends, I just want to connect with you guys. Flutter versus Adobe XD. I have a video about it. So I would say Adobe XD, right, is not the perfect tool, but it's a tool that, you know, makes a designer happy. So meaning, what I mean by that is that, for example, I have a design like this, right, and then you want to make the design like you say like, okay, I can get your design into an actual app, and then you can use that Adobe XD to Flutter plugin, and then that's it. But other than that, if you want to, sorry, Figma. Oh, okay, Figma versus Adobe XD. Okay, so let me finish up. Adobe XD won't replace Flutter developers because we definitely need to, you know, do the state management and such. Okay. Figma versus Adobe XD. I've tried Adobe XD and I've tried Figma. Honestly, for me, I feel that Figma is better because it's a website. That's it lah. Like, because if I can go to another computer without downloading that Adobe ecosystem, right, I would definitely try Figma. Valence, have you experienced any security related issues with Flutter? So for myself, not so much, because the security related issues with Flutter, it has to do with minification. So minification is like you are changing the code to obscurity to the point that people can't, you know, like reverse code your app. So if you were to do minification properly, right, for example, like Flutter Minification, if I'm not wrong, minification. Yeah. So it's obfuscation and minification. Obfuscation, yes. So this thing. So you can just Google this thing called obfuscation. It's a process of modifying the app binary to make it harder for humans to understand. So in terms of like security to hack your app, if you obfuscate it, if you minify makes it smaller, sorry. Obfuscate it, make it a little bit complicated for people to reverse engineer your app. So if you obfuscate, then it will be secure for that. You will build websites or mobile app. Actually, I'm trying to build both. So I'm trying to build a website for a learning platform, and at the same time a mobile app. So the mobile app is just like a live stream, and then you guys can contribute and such. Yeah, man. Figma. Can you make a video on obfuscation, minification? I think there aren't many videos on this topic. Oh, actually, that's a great idea. Yeah, that's really a great idea. But you can do it yourself first. Because for me, I will do this when I want to about to release, because it's under the deployment stuff, right? So it's really like the last few steps about it. So I'll probably do it when I'm going to release this app itself, right? Okay. So yeah, thanks for the idea, Master edit, get it, yeah. Okay, so anyway, let's go back to this home page thing. Yeah, so I guess the design is pretty like simple, and then I guess what I can do is maybe something to like, you know, widget of the week, latest news, that kind of thing. Maybe the UX is a little bit weird here. I don't know. I have to just try, yo. Never know what can happen. Yeah, just try it, man. Valence, you're right. Just try it. Yeah. Because the thing is that this obfuscation will happen at the last part. So once you build it for the APK itself, right? Then that's it, lor. Yeah. If it doesn't work, then you can always drop a, what do you call that? An issue inside the Flutter repo. So yeah, okay, let's get back to this. How can I actually get started? Maybe I have a get started button, get started. Right, okay, maybe I have a get started button. But the get started is pretty big. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Get started. Design, swimming, join a workshop, popular. So how about like courses? I don't know. Wait, let me see. How brilliant looks like if I were to go to the home page. Okay, actually it takes a lot of space. Parallel or not? Okay, so 3 things. Math or logic. Okay, so I guess like I need some more information about container and Flutter. Okay, maybe I make it a little bit bigger, right? I don't know. So latest news. So I don't. Maybe I'll put it instead of here. I'll put it outside. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So I can put like this one can be a little bit bigger as well. Widget of the week. Then let's make it bigger. 18. Maybe okay. Widget of the week. Then this thing container. Then I'll just put. Let me put this thing over here. So maybe I'll say container is oops, I'm like so not used to this. Container is a widget. Obviously is a widget that can hold a single widget with. Container is a widget. Okay, what do they describe container as? Container, Flutter. Alright, thank you, Master Edit, for joining me. Are you figuring out the content or UI currently? So it's actually the UI part. Can we export widget from Figma? Okay, so Valence, are you figuring out the content or UI? So it's the UI actually. The content definitely can do it later. Rishabh DeepSync, can we export widgets from Figma? So I think there is a plugin, Figma to Flutter. Why are thoughts on Flutter is Figma better? Okay. So yes, there is a Figma to Flutter code generator. But it's 2 years ago. So inexactly, and yeah, the thing about open source is that if it's not supported by big company, you could see that there is a lot of things to work around. And yeah, so I don't really like this kind of open source kind of thing, right? Figma to Flutter. Yeah, so for me, I don't really want to have dependent on the what do you call that, tools. All right, so you can but you can try the plugin itself. What are your thoughts on Adobe Flutter Expert? Is Figma better? So why I think if you really want the pixel perfect of the UI into Flutter, you you should use Adobe is because you have the support of the Adobe team. Like they have people working on it. So I think if you really want like people to invest their time for this plugin, right, then you should do Adobe XD. For me, I guess I'm a little bit experienced, so I'm okay by just figuring out how the UI is and such. So for me, it's a little bit like okay lah. I'm not so, I don't really need the latest news. I don't really need a tool for me to get things started lah. So I'm just okay. I'm like okay, yeah. Yeah, boy. How you guys, man? How you guys? Are you guys working as Flutter developers? You know, getting those coins. Coins. Yeah. Oh, let me see how I'm going to do this. So, okay. So I was looking at containers, right? Containers with children size, a convenience widget that combines common painting, positioning, and sizing widgets. How can I explain it to like a beginner? So, container is a widget. Container is a widget that allows you to shape, color, and add borders to anything. Yeah, so container is that allows you to shape. Sweet. Something like that lah, huh? Should I put this as a different color? Let me put, oh my god, I can't see. How about this? Does it look okay? No idea. Maybe I should put it black. I don't know. Oh, at the same time, why Figma is good? It's fast. It's because they are using WebAssembly. So that means they use so why I'm trying out Figma is because I want to see how fast they use the WebAssembly in the website, and it's actually pretty fast. Like for me, Adobe XD is pretty slow, even though it's like a desktop app, a dedicated desktop app for Mac, and I guess for Windows as well. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed on how fast Figma is performing, which yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so right, okay. Anywho, working on the apps. So nice, working on the apps. Nope, just an amateur building for my family. Right. Don't worry, everyone has their own what do you call that? Situation. Yeah. I'm learning Flutter now. Saif, I'm learning Flutter now. Have much time it takes for me to make how much time it takes for me an app. So it's depend to make an app. It really depends. So for example, if I were to create this without any like state management, right, it's pretty fast, like maybe 2-3 hours. But if you want to make a full-fledged app, then it will take longer. I'm learning Flutter now. How much time it takes for me to make an app? Yeah, so it depends on what you're making. Oh, okay, yeah. Thanks, Chaser, for yeah, basically it's 20 minutes. I mean, how much I have to learn it? I mean, so it's a very hard question for me to answer that. But yeah, let me see if I have mail. No group insurance. Okay, cool. Anywho, yeah, so I guess how much I have to learn it. If you talk about money, I think it's free. There's a lot of free resources out there. It's just more towards what you wanna do, like how much you want it. Yeah, so like for me, like I say, I'm still running my own, like I guess, business. So I'm just like creating my own thing, that kind of thing. Like any Flutter developers here, and I guess a lot of you are still learning Flutter, which is okay. Just take your time in learning Flutter. Took me a while to really like understand Flutter. Took me like whole job, you know. So to really understand Flutter itself. So if you really want to like learn Flutter the fastest way, right? I would recommend you to get a job or an internship, or if you really want to like really learn, then work for free. And once you work for free, and hopefully you are able to say no if they want you to work for free for a longer time, because that's where you really gain experience. Because I feel that if you were to work for yourself, you may not be able to know what's the standard out there. How much it is? Yeah, I mean, it really depends on how honestly smart you are and how much time you are willing to invest. Because for me, I think I have already bet on Flutter since 2 years ago, and I will still bet on Flutter in the future. So I would think it's a forever thing until until my intuition say no. So that's why. Yeah. But for now, yeah, I really like Flutter and how it's like. I really have. Maybe I'm not very how do you say this? I don't know what the other communities of the other like frameworks are doing, but Flutter, I would say the community is pretty good. So yeah, just do your own thing, guys. Yeah. So let me just put some stuff. So I guess Flutter 1.2. Is there like a summary for this announcing? So I guess copy and paste, just copy and paste. Oh, oh my god. Okay, performance improvements for Flutter and that. Yeah. Performance improvements for Flutter and Dart. Mm, ah, new widget will be last. Okay. Updated material widgets. Updated widgets. I would say here. New interactive widget. Okay. I think that's okay. 3 lines. Looks pretty simple. Put here, then I'll just put here as well. Okay. And then oh god, why is there so many lines? How much if you okay, I change upon I love your content version. Oh thanks Behmian subscribe. Thank you man. Yes I do have a Udemy course. I understand it, thanks. Yeah man. Is it hard to learn Figma? I'm learning Figma right now. I guess pretty okay. It's just more towards like getting used to it. But I think it's overall fine. 1.2. Yeah, so it's okay. I don't see yeah, I don't see it like yeah. I think it's called ellipse. Ellipse. Oops. How do I make wait I know that Figma create no curve shapes. Rounded corners. No. What is it called? Squishy shape squishy curve shapes. Random shapes. Is it random shapes? Ah, yes, this thing. Create organic blob. Ah, yes. This is the one. Ah, yes, I want to install this. Sweet. Yeah, so you see how fast it is installed inside your like web browser, which is insane. And oh my god. Yeah, so plugins, blobs. Click on blobs. Make blobs. Oh god. Okay, cool. All right. Wow. So, oh god. So this blob will be like this, I guess. Make it small. How small is this blob? Okay. Make this blob into a green color blob. This blob is too small for this. I need more complex. Oops. Oh my god. There's a blob. Blob. Blob out. Blob out, baby. Complexity. Make blobs. Make blobs. Control 8. Ooh. Sorry, I'm a little bit This is cool. 1.2. Let's send it back. Command Shift square brackets. Okay, great. It went back to that. Send backward. Command back. It's so weird. So let me see where's the blob. Is it this vector? Yeah, it's, oh my god, so ugly. Oh my god. Okay. I'm having fun in the blobs, guys. Okay, sorry. I'll share the link here. Support if you like his content. Oh, thanks, man. It's okay. You can just go to the link in the description. There's courses. Gotta go now. Thanks, Valence. All the best. Thank you so much. Learning Figma is MS Paint, so basically it's easy unless you go into some animation and stuff. Yeah, definitely. I think it's very intuitive, so I don't see a lot of like, like Photoshop is insanely hard, so I'm like, but yeah, Figma is pretty cool. I do like get around what I need, so I don't think it's like, yeah, difficult or such, so I'm okay. Pretty okay. Yeah, okay, so let me put this at the back. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so if I were to have this vector a little bit smaller, yeah, 1.2. Okay, so I'll make this thing like yellow. Oh my god, at least I have no idea. Okay, widget of the week, latest news, and I guess the last one will be, let's make this a little bit higher. Okay, so I think last one is maybe it's so we which of the week, latest news, and then last one will be like for you to learn stuff. Was it at the bottom? Let me see at what Brilliance do. Dun 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 dun. All right, so yeah, sorry, I was distracted. I got Brilliant. Wow, they really take up a lot of space. Maybe I should put a picture. I don't know. Wow, it's just set reminders on that. Great. They have 100 days challenge. Let me think. What container latest news? All right, so okay, let's go to how it all begins. What would you like to learn today? What would you like to learn today? This is a very good, like, yeah, start new round. Your classes, learning sets, all that. Education app. I'm gonna just continue looking at inspirations. Fundamentals of art. I want home to be something. Achievements. Do I want a search bar? Nah. Studying. Learning. And then cards. 4 out of 8 lessons. How do I even... Yes. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas. Anyway, thank you guys for joining this live stream. Yeah, I'm just figuring out what I want to put inside the app over here. So it looks pretty plain. I don't know. It looks okay, I guess. But yeah, I'm just having some I'm looking for inspiration on what do I add into the app itself. Want it to be simple. This is a little bit complicated, you know. My courses. Oh, I should put courses. Learn, learn. Maybe I don't know. Why not? I just put learn. Ooh, that's real nice. That's real. Ooh, wow, cool. Save this tree. How do you write? If you guys have any questions on Flutter or how to get a job, you can comment down below. And yeah, so I'm looking for designs, man. Or you can give suggestions on how to, add stuff. I don't know. I'm just looking around, man. Just looking around. But yeah, so I will always try to repeat what I've said earlier. So I guess in order for you to build an app, you need to design it first. So that's why I'm designing on Figma, and Figma is a excellent tool that is built on website, and it uses this thing called WebAssembly, which actually makes it uses your low level, I guess, components on your computer to run stuff. That's why in Figma it's actually pretty like fast. It's like you can see no jankiness. It's really really fast. So that's why I like Figma. And if I were to use Adobe XD, right, it's actually not that good. So that's why I feel that Figma it's amazing. Amazing for now lah, for now. If not, then I will not use it. Why is it not loading? Oh my god. Do I have no internet? Hello? No. Dribble is working fine. Education app. Put the tag as an education app. So I guess is there any other English? Why do they always have these kind of cards? Really don't like it. Okay. Oh wow, this is very nice. Oh, I like this. Oh my god, this is amazing, man. Marketing. Wow, this is awesome. It's really good. Right. Maybe. Which of the week will be on top? Courses? Courses or what's another word for widgets? Let me Google. Learning snippets. Learn snippets. Learning. Learn. Maybe I just put learn. I don't know. I guess like what I can do is like I put like this thing. Yeah, and then I'll just say learn. And then what I can do is I just use like maybe I'll put this behind, and yeah, I guess I'll do this, maybe I can make this elongated. Yeah, so something like this, right? Okay, maybe a little bit bigger. I don't know. This is a bit too near, so I guess make it a little bit bigger. I don't know. I don't know. Then you can learn stuff. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. So this learn will be a different color, maybe blue. Ooh, this is nice. So you can learn maybe what? How do they do it to make it like that? I think it's really hard to make it like that. Graphic design. How about state management? You know, I'm just gonna put state management. You know, I don't know. You know. I don't know. I should put it at the bottom actually. State management, right? So this will be somewhere at the bottom here, and then maybe this state management will be like somewhere here. This will be like state management provider, you know, hot topic, very the hot topic. So I guess, yeah, was it introduction, intro to state management? I don't know. We'll see. Intro to state management, introduction. Everyone likes to never mind. State management 101 2 101. It looks a little bit ugly. Never mind. I'll just put state management then. Yep, and then you have provider. So state management, what you can do is can put like circles. And state management is like just passing of data, right? So 1, 2, 3, you know. It looks so like why is it like that? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it looks something like that. Is there like a line? So it's L. Ooh. So I just put it like that, I guess. And then like that. And then like that. And then like that to like that. Hey, up, beep, up, beep, up. Okay, then providers. I have a video on providers actually. Oh wow, how did I even? Oh, it's done. Oh, okay. My lines are bad. We can help you choose, show us options and we vote. Oh yeah, that's actually a good suggestion. Thanks, Ali Ghost. Hopefully you're not a ghost. Yeah, that would be a little bit scary. So providers is actually like a waterfall. So I'm gonna just put some. How do I make? Maybe I just put some, you know, cubes, and then stack them like one another. You know, so like that, then like that. Oh, like that. Something like that lah. Oh my god. Okay, then I guess continue. It continues, and yeah, I guess like that. I don't know. Oh my god, it looks ugly. Shit. Reverse. Okay, let's make it nicer. Yeah. Counting. Cool. Right. Yeah. So then this will actually cover it. Something like that. Yeah. So if it covers, then actually the title should be on top. Let me see if it actually does. Yeah, I should make it the title on top. Right. State management. Because when you learn and then if you cover this whole thing, right, then it doesn't look nice at all because you can't see what's the title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the title on top. Yes, So I'm gonna make this on top, and then make this like this. Okay, sadly, with this also as well. Gonna make this at the bottom. Yeah, that's way nicer now. I'm gonna make this at the bottom and make this provider to the top, top. Yeah, so I'm thinking like to put some animations as well, you know, so to make it like interactive, it's some sort of interaction lah. Yeah, so I guess if I were to cover this now, it looks way better. Yep. Do you guys think so? Yeah, I think so too. I think the gap here is a little bit too too far, I guess. So I just make it a little bit closer. Sweet. Okay, and the square is a little bit, yeah. So I guess these are images, but yeah, it's a rough idea. Okay, so yay, thanks. I guess this is like a pretty cool like design that I'm really proud of actually. Wow. Good job guys. Thanks man. Good job. So we have like widget of the week, Flutter 1.2, and then yeah, oh wow, it looks actually not bad. Yeah. Maybe I should put the learn, because I put like, okay, it's a little bit of like consistency kind of thing lah, you know. So what I'm going to do is I make this enter as Montserrat. Okay, I don't know how to spell Montserrat. My God, Montserrat, right? Then I'll make it a little bit bold and white, right? So I just make it white. Yeah, something like this. I'll make it like even more bold. Semi bold. Learn state management. Learn state. It makes sense. Learn state management. Learn provider. So this Montserrat and bold. Okay. So Montserrat. Then make this bold and make this white. Yeah. All right. So I think I'm pretty happy with this result. What about you guys? Do you guys like it? If you like it, man. If you like it. Oh my god, I'm so proud. Yeah, so I guess like this will be like the home page. So you have like widget of the week, then you have like a description and an image and such. Then you have like Flutter 1.2 latest news, something like that. I'll probably use some backend, you know. I think there is a backend that uses like Firebase. Firebase table service or something like that. Are you designing? Yes, I am designing the UI, guys. I am designing the UI. So I remember there was like a data table with Firebase. Forgot, man. Structure data tables, display data from Firebase, material data tables. No, there build a real-time table with data tables. No, it's not. Is it this one? No. Because what I want is like something for an easy way for you to show what you have at the back end, and then you can like, rather than, you know, going to the Firebase and just manually doing it. I don't know. So yeah, I guess yeah, this is a really good first draft. I mean, if you guys like it, man, I'll probably like do like a simple landing page for this kind of thing. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. I guess the next thing is, I guess I want to design the bottom part now. Since we still have time, I just want to have like a little bit more. I guess I really like this design. This is very nice with like a floating action button. But I really don't like the floating action button to be in the middle. I don't want to have a floating action button actually. So, So I was thinking maybe this is home. Maybe I'll have 3 like buttons at the bottom, not 5, but like 3, you know, like your own thing, settings and whatnot. So let's see if the mobile UI kit has certain things. They only do like 4. Alright, so let me just put a very simple rectangle. how big is this? So let me put a rectangle which is the same size. Okay, since we have this bar as well, so I think that's fine. I think is it like this? Okay. So let me design side by side lah, like that. Okay. Then I'll just put like very simple. Is there like plugins for icons? I think there is. Material design icons. Material design. How about home? Right? So you just put a home. Then put this here in the middle on top. Home should be left side. I have no idea actually. What's this? Oops. This whole thing. Is it big enough? I mean, you could technically put this icon here, you know, and then it will be okay. But ain't nobody got time for that. So another material design icon. How about like learn? Is that like learn? Oh, I know. Books. Yes. Oh, got laptop. Bookmark. No, books. Books. Is there like other things that I can see? How about stack? Oh no. File. No. What other things that we can? How about this thing? This thing looks cool. Alright, so let me put this in the middle like this. Right? Then this thing maybe over here, I guess. Like this, I guess. I don't know. Then one more. We need another material icon. I think that will be like settings lah. Simple settings. Let me see if there's like settings. Is it more? Let's put in some material design icons and let's put in settings. Settings is gear. Right. So let's put it here. Oh, it's a little bit too far. Okay. Actually, nah, I really don't want this M. What's this M? So I want this. Whoop. This thing first. You know. This M can. Oh god, how did I take out? Oh yes, I did take out this. So I guess like for what is called this bottom navigation bar, right? It's actually good practice for you to actually name your bottom navigation bar items or your buttons actually, because people would not know or recognize each of the icons. That's why you need to put some text, just a little you know, I guess, what do you call that? Stuff. I'm an intern. Let me put 14. Then I'll just put this home. Right. Then I'll put this in the middle. Then I'll just put this here. Yes. Then I'll just put this as learn or widgets. I don't put widgets, I guess. Learn, something like that. And then lastly, you can put here as more, something very simple, you know. Then let's put this as like that. Yeah, something really simple, not like too yeah, in the middle or whatnot. This learn need to lean a little bit to the left. Oops. All right, so yeah, sorry if it's like a boring live stream, but yeah, it's like that. Yes. Okay, something like that. Okay, let me put this whole thing, right? Let me put this whole thing as a group selection. Yes. Right, then I'll name this group as bottom nav bar. Yep. Okay, so you have a bottom nav bar over here. So it looks like simple enough, you know. Yeah, so let me put a little bit bottom. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for really joining me. This is like the first draft of the design. Yeah. So how do I actually import this whole image? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna import it and I'm gonna put it on Facebook or something. Import image. Import Flutter. No, import Figma. Right, is there? Import files into export. Sorry, export. Export Figma. How do I export images? Getting started with exports. Yeah, man, you Google stuff. So I will select everything. Okay, select everything. Wait, except for this. Get lost. So I select everything and then I will export. Then export the whole screen. How do I export? Export frames to PDF. Downloads. Let's see how it looks like actually. Ah, wow. Hey, this is not bad. Okay, I want it to export. Hey, shit. Export. No selected layers. I will click plus in the export selection. Nani? Where's the plus? Oh, nothing selected. Okay. Oh my god, I'm like confused. Apply export. So you can view, add, and remove export in the export section of properties. You can. Oh, okay. Is there like a export here? Frame selection. Right. So then. My god, I'm probably stupid. Oh, there is this. Oh, okay, okay. I found it. I found it. I found it, guys. I found it. All right. So export one, preview. Looks something like that. Okay. Export group one. Sweet. All right. Sweet. Sweet. Okay. So yeah, man. So you can post stuff on Instagram using Canva. I really like to use Canva. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this like mock-up stuff phone thingy to really like put in this mock-up stuff. Oh wow, this looks great. Oh yes, baby. Then I'll just put this as like red. Oh, oh, this is perfecto. I'll make blue. Beep, beep, boop, bop, beep, boop. Right, I think this is nice, you know. New page, no, let me make this a new one also as well. Right, cool. All right, so that's about it. Thank you guys for watching my live stream. It's a little bit boring because I'm doing like work and such, but yeah, so I will probably do a poll on my what do you call that, thingy on my community tab. But yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, support me. Next week I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to design more screens, so you will see more screens as well. And at the same time, you can support me through like super chat. That will really help me because I guess it will help me in being motivated. But that's about it. Thank you guys so much for joining. Stay safe and all the best. I'm going to end this stream now. Goodbye. Bye bye.